So a unboxing of the Noctua NH-L9a-AM4 Chromax Black CPU cooler. The AM4 meaning it's for the AMD CPUs. 37mm low profile, 100% RAM 100% RAM compatibility. 100% compatibility with PCIe cards. So this is designed for mini ITX boards generally. It's a compact size, so that's why they're highlighting the compatible configurations, as it's a fairly compact cooler. Comes with the NF-A9X14 Chromax Black Premium fan. So this is the Chromax version, as you can see there. So this is the all blacked out one and not in Noctua's typical brown colors. As you can see there, that's a shot of the back of the box just with some highlights. So it's got a low profile, the RAM compatibility and other compatibility, the fan, and it has a custom designed Secu Firm 2 mounting for AMD cards, and that's what you get in the box. So a little thing of thermal paste. It is the NT-H1 thermal paste. You get a little sticker here. Oh, quite nice actually. It's got a bit of a metal weight to it, which is good. You have a low noise adapter, NA RC7, so that comes in the box as well. Thermal paste, some mounting screws here, and we'll try and get the cooler out in a moment. Instructions and company information, product information. We'll pull the top foam thing off and away. And that's the cooler. The mounting brackets and mounting plate just in the cardboard there. But that's the cooler. You can see the fan here. Spins quite nicely. Looks like it has two heat pipes. And you have that's the CPU plate there. And these are the brackets the other brackets will go into. Nice design, feels well made, and all black. Everything, absolutely everything is black. And then you have the CPU fan there. So we'll get that mounted into the computer tomorrow. Just having a look at the rest of the what comes in the box, and it appears like that plate is it. So that is, and then you've got a link to some of their social medias there. But apart from those screws, which are sitting over here in the side, that is it for the unboxing of the Noctua NH-L9a-AM4 Chromax Black version. There we go.